Hey there Greymates, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the Camel Constellation in Crimson Desert. This constellation should be the last one on your list of constellations. It's all the way here to the north of the Four Bears Barrens. This is quite a taxing area to explore since it's surrounded by mountains. But just try to look for these ruins right here. On the other side, you should see a pit with quicksand on it. Then face behind you and walk a few steps forward. Stand on top of this area right here, and you should be right next to this rectangular floor to your right. And then look forward and up. Align it that the shape looks like a slanted Z. Make it look like this and then focus on the farthest right point of the constellation. But for some reason for my end, I had to look away from it looking to the bottom right of it. So it might be different for yours or pretty much the same for mine. Just make sure to align it correctly. And that should be pretty much about it on how to find the Camel Constellation in Crimson Desert.